Hey guys, I'm Colin. I just spent 5 days exploring the southern and western side of Puerto Rico. We're talking surf, snorkel, sightseeing, salsa classes, and pretty much everything in between. We're kicking things off in La Parguera, way out on the western tip of the island where we caught a killer sunset right when we arrived. We were all pretty exhausted from our travel day. Chris and Reegan had come all the way from South Africa, so we decided to call it early and get some sleep before jumping straight into our activities and exploring the next day. All right, we are going snorkeling and diving and gonna check out some Bioluminescence Bay stuff this evening before heading to dinner.
Yeah, boy.
Today was a two-part tour. We started off with 2 dives out on the reef and then wrapped the night up with a Bioluminescence Bay tour. Such a wild combo and totally worth it.
This is great. I'm like loving this floaty.
I tell you what, there is nothing more magical than sunshine and rain.
There's some giant tarpon on the back of this boat right now. They're huge.
A fish just took Colin's GoPro.
I gotta get in with all of these fish to find my GoPro. All right, we found the GoPro that the fish took. That was crazy. I didn't expect a fish to take the GoPro right off of the little guy, but we got it. He clamped it. He got the whole thing in his mouth. It's like, is that a GoPro 13? I'm not joking when I say the Bioluminescence Bay is one of the coolest things that I've ever done in my life. When you move your arms and legs in the water, it literally glows electric blue around you. The camera doesn't quite do it justice since it's pitch black out, but trust me, it's magical. This is an experience I would recommend to anyone visiting Puerto Rico. When you like wave your hands in the water, it was the craziest thing ever. Just like blowing all in front of you, and I don't know, you would get these like specks all over your arms and stuff like you moved around, or under black a swimsuit. That's crazy.
You always have specs all over you.
Yeah, well,
these
ones come out. So we are about to get off the boat, wrap up the day with some dinner. Not sure where we're heading yet, but there's all kinds of great options all around that we're gonna go try. So
yeah,
excited.
This town is really cute.
The next day we drove over to Ponce, a historic coastal town with a lot of Creole influence and old school charm. We checked out the city square, did a walking tour, hit the Museo Castillo Serrallés where we did a guided Don Q rum tour, and somehow ended up in the salsa class by the end of the day. Definitely a vibe shift from the coast. We wrapped the trip with a few days in Rincón. If you've heard of it, it's probably because it's internationally known for surfing. We hit a couple of different breaks, caught some great waves, and found one of the best meals of the trip at a local spot called Reina Mora. 10 out of 10 recommend. Puerto Rico honestly has so much to offer, and the fact that it's just a short flight from Miami with no passport required makes it easily one of the best places to vacation if you're from the US. I can't wait to go back. This trip was honestly unreal. There were so many beautiful moments, but some of my favorite shots in this video were captured on my GoPro Hero 13. It's what I use on all of my FPV drones, and I haven't traveled without the latest GoPro in over 4 years. If you want one, there's a 10% link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.